drill some holes.
Let's see the action.
Hi everyone, my name is Celine, Wellness Babe here on YouTube. This is Daniel, my boyfriend, and today we have a patio makeover for you and a do-it-yourself, renter-friendly privacy wall that you can easily install. First, cut 2 feet of outdoor galvanized steel wire. Push the wires through to the other side of the fence. Mold the wire along the 2x4 and make sure it is taut. Once you get to the other side, you're going to crisscross the wires. Again, make sure the wires are taut along the fence and twist them securely. Push the wires back through to the first side. As you will see, you have an X now. Back on the first side, repeat the cross and twist action. Push back out and again, twist the wire outside and cross it again and push it back in towards the wall. To secure the wire, cut the wire and wrap the ends around each other along the wall so it doesn't poke you. Do this at the top, middle, and bottom of each post.
So tell us what you're doing.
Well, we're installing a makeshift trellis. We found this here, what looks like part of a bed frame. We installed some posts up here. We're going to mount this to our wall back here, and it'll someday be part of a privacy mesh.
Our posts on this wall are 6 feet tall, and originally we wanted a sheet of double lattice so that we would have more privacy, but this is all we could find during COVID. Good job! Onto the garden, I wanted to add some petunias in hanging baskets. I absolutely love flowers and love the color they provide, and they just make me so happy. I also added zinnias, which I love because they bloom all summer long and are an excellent choice for cut flowers. Before and now for the final reveal. Look at, I picked these from the garden. Thank you so much for watching. This was such a fun project and I had a great time filming and editing it for you. Please go ahead, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I look forward to seeing you here again next week. Bye.